this is entire street lighting master plan. You can have. You can go through this also. This I will provide to you. Everything about street light is mentioned here in this particular. Street circuits, how the illumination is decided, the range, the span, either you can see that. High LED bulb, high pressure sodium vapor lamp, yellow light. This particular that is tapped for luminaries. Here it is shown various lighting technologies used in the city. This LED, now it is 49%. Metal halide, now it is 2%. Fluorescent, 52%. High pressure sodium vapor, 48%. हे octaflute, एक प्रकार जो लाइट सिंगल वन साइड जे लॅम्प लावले त्याला म्हणतात octaflute. Types of BWV street lighting standards as per the IS. Typical standard. Then a decorative. This type of lights are not especially for illumination. In gardens, etc., we can see. Okay. Decorative type lighting schemes. These are the designs for decorative light. This is 3-4. These are decorative lights. At historical places, at gardens, we are having. What is exact average luminaries required? You go through this. I am just exposing this material to you. I will put it over the classroom. This is another non-signalized intersection of Palm Avenue. कुठल्या particular street चे त्याने street light diagram तुम्हाला दाखवलेली. This is another type of street light with distribution network. The distribution पण पोलवरच आहे. Types of lamps, their wattages, outputs, and all it is given over here. Go through this for additional information. Okay? So you will be able to know. See various, this is opposite. म्हणजे एक इथे, दुसरा इकडे, तिसरा इकडे, चौथा इकडे like this. दोन्ही साइड नाही, both side. आणि समोरासमोर नसणार आहे की span. So this is also good best LED street light luminaries like a roadway. The central. इथे रोड तुमचा वाईड असेल. सेंट्रल प्लस साइड खूपच मोठा रोड असेल तर तसे ओव्हरब्रिज. दिस इज अनदर टाइप ऑफ स्ट्रीट लाइट. त्याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला इथे बेंडिंग खूप दिलेलं आहे. हायवेज. Various schemes are there. You can see various diagrams. Highways. These all are highways, street light. Turning. Turning on freeway. तुम्हाला multiple crossing and bridges आहे, especially in metros you may have the skins provided. This is another example. Highway interchange, merging. So various types you can see. Many pictures are there with you. You can see more. You can have all this. Right? Bridge. This is also a street lighting. Central. Go through this all such type of lights, types of their street lights you must know. Okay. So I have exposed to you this all. You may have more. Already you are having the availability of internet and all these things. Don't just limit your knowledge with the syllabus content. Syllabus content आहेच आहे. Okay. Any doubt?